In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your DX2 watch. First we have to press the home button that is on the side here, and then scroll ahead, go for the setting icon that is here. Now look for the advanced option. You can scroll until you see that it's a computer icon. It says advanced. Select it. Now scroll down and look for the option reset, factory reset, that is here. It will ask you to confirm if you really want to reset this watch. Click yes. It will again ask you if you are sure to do that. Click yes. And to confirm it, you have to hold down the shutter button for 2 seconds. The shutter button is on this side, that is the camera button. You have to press and hold it for 2 seconds and then it will reset to the factory defaults. Right now I'm not going to do that because I don't want to lose the data. That's the way we can reset this watch to factory defaults. Thanks for watching.